America's 10 best winter beach retreats. White sand and warm waters are closer than you think. When winter's chill sets in, escape to one of these laid-back, sun-drenched spots. No passport needed. 1. San Juan, Puerto Rico. With more than 100 hotels welcoming guests, 4,000 plus restaurants cooking away, and 107 tourist attractions open to visitors, San Juan's post-Maria comeback is something to behold. Add to that the stunning beaches and the 16th-century colonial history, and you have the makings for a trip that mixes relaxing tropical vacation with cultural getaway. 2. Sanibel Island, Florida. The sea is hands down the main attraction in Sanibel, and while there are some top contenders when it comes to beaches, Lighthouse Beach, Bowman's Beach, and Blind Pass Beach are all stellar options. Whichever spot you choose, you can rest assured you'll be treated to fine white sand and calm turquoise waters. 3. Kailua, Oahu, Hawaii. Winter months mean towering waves at many of Oahu's most popular beaches, which is great if you want to sit on the sand and admire the world-class surfers, but far too dangerous for mere mortals to go swimming. 4. Hanalei, Kauai, Hawaii. Kauai has managed to stay a little more under the radar than other Hawaiian islands, and that's what makes it so appealing. Hanalei, on the North Shore, is as close to magical as a town can get, lush green mountains, fields of taro, and rainbows on a daily basis. 5. Laguna Beach, California. Done the right way, this SoCal beach town can be surprisingly down-to-earth. After all, some of its first citizens were not glamorous teenagers or housewives but early 20th century struggling artists such as William Went and Lolita Perini. 6. Grand Isle, Louisiana. In the winter, the population of this barrier island off Louisiana's Gulf Coast shrinks back down to its 1,600 permanent residents from its summer high of 14,000. But temperatures remain warm enough to sunbathe, and you can do so without the crowds. 7. San Diego, California. San Diego is a small town with big ambitions. The revitalized Gaslamp Quarter, with its shops and restaurants, feels urban, but the crashing waves of the Pacific nearby create a vibe that's classic American beach village. 8. St. Simon's Island, Georgia. One of 4 islands that make up Georgia's Golden Isles, a collection of barrier islands just off the southeastern coast, St. Simon's is known for its centuries-old moss-draped oak trees, historical landmarks, white sand beaches, and 99 holes of golf. 9. Orange Beach, Alabama. Most people don't automatically associate the phrase beach retreat with Alabama, but don't tell a local that. Alabamians are adamant that their Gulf Coast beaches are among the most beautiful in the country. 10. Galveston, Texas. In this South Texas hotspot, savvy travelers skip crowded East Beach, which gets overrun in March with spring breakers, and head to the more secluded West Beach or Galveston Island State Park.